the Sketchbox for August. No, not August, September. It's August now. We got it a couple days early. There we go. Oh, there's a feel. It feels fairly light. I'm scared. I think it's going to be pastels. Oh no. Oh, watercolor paper. Pastel pencil. No. Oh, okay. Oh, I think do I have those? I think I do have those. All right. Oh, that's cute. It's got a little owl on it. Art by Lana Kloschat. That is really cute. And we got a brush. Oh, it's what does it say? Try wedge. I'm sure you can do something really spectacular with these, but I don't know what it is. But they're those. Oh, it's nice and thick. It's like triangular. Kind of cool though. It's got a nice point on it. These, I have these, so I think I'll just put these. Oh, that's so cute. Sketchbox edition. It's got a little fox on there. So I'll put these in the giveaway boxes. And I'll use the ones I already have. So watercolor paper. I saw watercolor paper and I was like, oh good. And I thought, oh, woodless pastel pencils. And these are another Sketchbox signature. All right, woodless pencils, huh? Oh, okay. These are kind of neat. They're very chalky, although it's not coming off, but they feel very chalky and not smooth. You know what I mean? Like kind of like a matte finish. So, well, let's try these out. And let me get those. All right, so these are, I guess I put them in pans. I didn't remember doing that, but I guess I did. So this is the Cherry Pit Black. This is the Liquid Sanguine. And this is Liquid Chalk. Seems like it discolored a little bit. I mean, I'm sure it doesn't hurt it at all, but. All right, so I'll put these back. Okay, so let's do this. Does it say anything on here? Oh, there's the, that's why that picture was on the sticker. I don't know if I want to do, maybe, if I want to do an owl, I might do a different kind of owl. All right, so this is it toned? Yes. Oh, it's pretty. It's a nice brown color, kind of watercolor paper. All right, I'll do the swatching on one side and then do the picture on the other side, and then this can go in the boxes. Let's do the swatches on this side. Let's do the pencils. These have olive. Okay, I was gonna say these have, yeah. Oh, they feel like it's a sense, a discomforting sense to draw with these. It's like chalk, like nails on a chalkboard kind of feeling. This one is mustard. Why is this so hard to do? I don't know what that is. But I know a few people online have that same thing. They don't use pastels and stuff because of the way it feels. This is platinum. These are pretty colors. And they look really nice together. Maybe I'll just use those lightly as detail, and I'll use these for most of it. This one is terracotta. It's a pretty one. This one is umber. They're very nice. If you can take the feel of them, they're really nice. I wish I could. Kale. Yeah, very nice colors, all very natural looking. And then we'll do a little swatch of these. All right, so this is the Cherry Pit. They did a couple of the, you can see there's kind of like a purplish sheen to it, if you look at it right. They had a peach pit, a cherry pit, and I can't remember the last one. 3 different pits that they use for their blacks. And the sanguine. Very pretty. And then this is good because the color is, the paper is colored, so should be able to see this. Not very well. Can't see it very well. Because this isn't, I thought it was more white. It's not. It's like a, I don't know, taupe. So that's that one. It's like a dirty white, you know. So those are the colors. I can do something very naturey with these, I think. So some kind of animal, like I said, maybe an owl. So I'll give it a think and I'll come back and do a speed do a speed draw, and then we'll talk at the end. Maybe I should use this brush too. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I decided not to record myself drawing this. I just felt like sitting on the couch. So this is my little, I'll have to, hang on a sec, let me show you. I saw this picture online and I thought it was adorable. It's, I think it's called a shoebill bird, which I've seen before, but I never saw the baby. And the baby has such a little grouchy face that I thought, oh my God, I have to do that. So, and the colors pretty much fit. The only thing I did at the end, I did add like a sparkly blue for the eyes, because the chalk was like a platinum, it says. So it wasn't really white, so it wasn't bright enough. And I did use a little bit of a black like liner to do around the eyes and to make the eyes a little bit blacker. But other than that, it was all the chalk, and I did use the liquid chalks and stuff like that for for the underneath. For the basic painting, I used these on top. And I did use this paper. I used all of the colors, all 6 and all 3, and I forgot to use the brush. But I did use everything else. So anyway, yeah, I know this is weird, I'm holding the camera. These were easier to work with sketching sideways instead of like with a point, like a pencil. It seemed like it was a lot more effort to do that. It was easier to do this. But it did feel better using those because they're wrapped in a label, and the label was not as annoying on my hands as it would be to have to touch the chalk. So I did like that about those. The paper was nice. And of course I like these because I already have these. So, and like I didn't use the brush, but it looks really cool. So I'm keeping that. So anyway, that was this week's unboxing, and thank you for watching. Hopefully next week I'll have palettefull packs, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Oh, thanks for watching. Did I say that? Bye.